Hello friends. So in previous lectures we have seen data types. What are the data types? What are operators in Python? So now we will see data structures. Data structures. Yeah. So these two types, data types and operators, we have done already. So what are the data structures? So data structures in Python provide us with a way of storing and arranging data that is easily accessible and modifiable. So this is the definition of data structure. So I will write it down here. So data structures in Python. So if you want to note it down, please note it down. Provide us with a way of storing and arranging data that is easily accessible and modifiable. Actually, that is not a definition, but yeah, you can consider it. So this data structure include collections. Okay, so we will see the what are the collections actually. So list of collections are first collection will be lists, sets, tuples, and dictionary. Okay, so these are the type of these are the uh, uh, type of data structures we can see it as. So these are the collections. So now we will see what is list. So we will start from initial from list. So sorry. So what are lists? Okay, lists are one of the mostly commonly used. That means list any one. I mean list is very useful. I mean very used actually. So in these four types, list is mostly used type. Okay, so I mean they are iterable as well. I mean we can iterate through the list. They are mutable as well. Mutable in the sense the data can be changed and the ordered data. Okay, so we will write characteristics of here. So what is when characteristics? Okay, correct. Of lists. What are they? So they are iterable, mutable, and ordered data. So we will go through example as well. Don't worry. Be assured, as I always say. So actually, I will lastly when we cover this all the four topics. So we will take a chart. I mean, we will take a chart of its characteristics. So what is list actually? Okay, so yeah, I already have told you the list. What is list? So what we declare a list. I mean, what we how we assign values to the list. Okay, how you pass values in the list. Okay, so I will create a list one. So it is like a variable creation. Okay, so that is the variable. You can consider it as a variable. So in that variable, I am storing this list. Okay, so this should be in the code actually. Okay, I will erase this. So do you remember, guys? Last session we have covered it out. I mean, what are the operators? What is data types? Okay, so we have done it already. So what is list? So list one, I will create a list one, and I am passing some value in it. Okay, so 1 comma 2 comma ABC something else comma 3 comma some value anything you can write here anything. So as like C and Java, we do not need to write here semicolon. Okay, so this will give a error. So as we see, it is an integer, then you do not need to write it in quotes. And if it is a character, then you must have to write it in quotes. So that's the rule actually. So we will create another empty list as well. List2 is equal to, and we will create another list3 list. So we can declare it as a list C. Okay. So in that list we are passing data. So we will print list1 first. So what should be the output? It clearly gives the output, correct? And the same. Okay. Okay. So here you can see, I mean, where I am now currently. Just 1 second, guys. So guys, so actually I took a small break. Sorry. So see, as discussed in characteristics, let me check where it is. So these are first we will see ordered data. So what is ordered data means? See, that is the list. So list1, the data is ordered. Data is ordered in the sense. So first data is assigned to the index of 0. So it is the 0th index, it is first index, it is second index, it is third index, it is fourth index. So data is assigned as by index wise. So I know, I think you already know what are the index in array. So if you are learned C or C++, then you have learned array also. So you must know what are the indexes. So list is an ordered collection of data. So here we can see list is an ordered collection of data. So guys, also I will tell you one thing. So these are the comments. So we can write just by entering hash. So the we can write comments or if these are the multi-line comments, then also what is there for multi-line comments? Just 1 second. Let me check for multi-line comments as well. We will try it here. Actually, there are two. I mean, C++, and there is. I mean, everything is different in every language. So we will check in Python as well. What is the? I mean, how multi-line comment is used here actually. So we will see this. Why this is not working? Okay. So actually you have to. There is no multi-line comments in my or multi-line comments. So everything right here should be like this. So you have to comment it like this. So every line should be with hash itself. There is only one option, that is hash. So there is no option for multi-line comments. So guys, let's stick through it, our list. So here you can see the duplicate data entry is also allowed. Okay. So as you, yeah, also you can see duplicate data is also allowed. Okay. So as we can see, if I write here 3, so there is a duplicate data, the 3 again is here. So you can see, yeah, it is allowed here. So duplicate data is also allowed. And the indexing starts from 0. That is, I already have told you about this. So another thing is I mean, how to append the data in that list. Okay. So I want to enter some data in that list. Okay. So list one dot append. So that is the function to append data. So what I will append, so if I append data, then it will directly enter here. Okay, so that is why indexing is here and the data is sequential. So however, I mean, if you append data, then it will append here. So what I am going to append, I will append 4. Okay, and then I will print list 1. Now see, first of, I will show you practically. Let me clear it. So as you see, after this, I have printed the list. First list is that 1 2 3. This is the same list. So when I appended the four character in it, so now you can see the list. Okay, the 4 is appended here. So that means the data is indexed, and if I append any data, then it will directly go here. So it will not append I mean middleware or at initial. So it will directly append at the last. Okay, so that is the append method in pop. So methods are like append. So another method is there, that is pop. So it allows to delete an element from list. So what will I do? So I will pop element. So I will pop. What should I pop? So guys, so it will pop. Let's see what it pops now. So guys, it needs an argument. Sorry, I'm actually that is append. Sorry guys. So yes guys. Actually, I have to print it here. Print after popping an element. Print list 1. So you can see the last element is popped. So whatever there is last element, then that it will be popped automatically. Okay. So as we can see, there is also sort method. So we can sort data. Okay, we can sort data accordingly. So list 1 dot sort. There is a sort method as well in Python. So print list 1. So here I have forgot to enter list 1. Mention list as 1, list 1. So what is happening with it? Just let me clear it once. So what is it saying? Testback callback error. Type error is not supported between instances of string and int. What is nothing is there. There is only one. I mean, okay. Let me list 3. Let me sort to list 3. This as well. Let's see. Yeah. So to sort the data, the all the data should be in number format. Yeah, that is the reason. So also, if you want to search data, I mean, if you want to search data, so it will also here pop search. Sorry, sort. So also, if you want to search any, I mean, a specific number, occurrence of specific number. Okay, so you can search it by its index number. So we can take a list 1 itself for this. So print list 1 dot index. If I want a fourth number of index from it, so I will clearly mention here fourth. So last output, just stick on last output, just check for last output. Okay, so 4 is not there. Oh, so it is this is 3. Here you can see it is I mean it is occurrence, I mean it is finding the occurrence of 3. So it is, let's check for value val. So is it available? If it is available, then clearly it will just give its index number, give its index number itself. So we have to search by text whatever there is a list in list. So if it is ABC, then it will show us at which index point the ABC is available. So see, ABC is available at second index. So it is first, it is second, so it is zeroth, it is first, and it is second index. So yeah, so it is done for also there are another function is available, that is reverse. So I will write it down here, pop and pop is done, append is done, sort is done, the index is also there. So index, and another is reverse function, reverse. So what reverse? That allows you to reverse the list. That is, elements will appear in reverse order in the list. So, so we have to reverse the number list actually. So print reverse of list 3. Print reverse dot list 3. List 3. Just 1 second. No. You have to write list 3 dot reverse. Yes, that will work. So see, none. So I think it is printing as a none. So why it is printing as a none? List 3 dot reverse. Okay. So actually it is not list. Yeah. Just let me remove these characters right now. Let me do it as a 1. So it will now print 100%. It will definitely print. So okay, this is not in the list. Oh, I'm sorry. So yes. So it is throwing an error, none. So why it is throwing an error? So let's check for this, guys. List 1 not reverse print list 1. Let's check whether it works or not. Yes, it is working. So why previously why it was not working? Let's check. Let me check once. So I just printed list 1 dot reverse. So it is showing none. I will comment it out. Oh, it will not work in print itself. That means okay, guys. So that's about was that's all about was list. So we will go through the next chapter. That is what is tuple. Okay. So for list actually you can see here. So that is the list. Okay. So for list it is included. For in list square brackets are included, and the data is separated with the comma. Okay, comma and curly braces. Sorry, quotes. So we will go to the tuples now. So actually the tuples. So this is the tuple actually, and we have converted it into the list. So I will remove all the data. So tuple 1 is equal to 1 comma 2 comma abc comma 3 comma 4. So that is tuple 1. So that's it, guys. So what are the characteristics of tuple? So just we will do one thing. We will print tuple. So what the output is showing, it will we will check it. So it is just it is printing as in previously we can see the difference. Previously it was printing out in square brackets, and now it is printing as in curved brackets. So generally in tuple the data is separated with the same data is separated. The concept of tuple and list is same, just there are the curly braces, sorry, square braces, and here are the curved. So I will create another video for, I mean, what is the difference between list, tuple, dictionary. So for this I will create also another video. So just comment me out that if you want another video for this, then I will definitely create it. So here in tuple, it is also an ordered data. So what is tuple actually? List, tuples of tuples. It is also an ordered data. Okay. So duplicates are allowed. So indexes start from 0, 0 as well. It is the same. So these are the characteristics of it. So now we will go through examples of list. So we have printed the tuple here, as you can see. Oh yeah. So now we will check so do remember, guys, remember, always remember, in lists we have added data by append method, but in tuple append method will not work. Remember, always remember, append method will not work. That means the data cannot be added into it. That means it is immutable. Always remember. Why it is? Okay, it's okay. It is immutable. Data is immutable. So data cannot be added into it. So if you cannot add a data, that means we cannot pop data as well. So pop will also not work. So as we can see, if we enter a dot, then it will not work. So it will simply give us an error. See, tuple object has no attribute pop. There is no attribute pop here. So no data also we can't be popped or deleted from it. So as we can see, we have done a sort method, I mean in list as well. So here data cannot be, as a data is immutable, so data cannot be sorted. Okay, but index allows you to search. So sorry, I mean tuple allows you to search data throughout this. So tuple one dot index, what I want to search, I want to search 2. So it will throw that 2 is at which position. So actually we have to print it afterwards. Print tuple 1. So you can no, actually we have to print that. If you want to find the index number of it, then we have to print itself. Yes, 1. Otherwise we can just store this, suppose a is equal to tuple 1 dot index 2. So the index number of this two data is stored in that a variable. So I will print it out a, print a, and now it will print as 1. Yeah, see, yes, see guys. So there is a count method as well. Count method means the count method is in list is also there. So we have not seen it. So it is very simple, like print list 1 dot count. And what I want to count, suppose I want to count how many twos are there. I think it is not showing. Just hold 1 second. Oh, actually this is tuple. That's why tuple 1, the variable is tuple 1 count. So two variable is for, sorry, two number is for there for only once, so it is showing once. So if there is another 2, then it will print as 2. Yes, yeah, as you can see. So these this is all about the tuple. So in tuple, methods are, there is no pop, there is no sort, there is no append, there is only index and count. So these are the methods. So tuple is done, list is done, tuple is done. So next part is so what should be next? What will bring the next is list. We have done with examples as well. Tuples is done. Now left is set and dictionary. So we will go through set. So in sets, syntax. What is the syntax of set? So the data in set is separated by commas. Same. See, in list we have seen the square braces. In tuple we have seen the that squared, what can we say, curved, this is the curved braces. And in sets we can see the curly braces. Okay, remember, and in dictionary there is also curly braces. So while declaring set, or while creating set, you can see set is equal to, so that is the data in sets. These are the sets. So that is the set which I just declare it here. So if I print it out, if I want to print it out, print set 1. So yeah, it is printing the set. So just to go through the, I mean, without discussing anything, so just go through the data. So inside, always remember guys, inside the data is not ordered. Okay, so as we see in the list and tuple, so the data is ordered with its index number. So but in sets the data is not ordered. So take a second thing, so all elements are unique in a set. Always remember, all elements are unique in a set. So if I put here 1, let's see guys, see here, you will see only 1 for once, because the duplicate data is here. So it will not print a duplicate data, it will count it as only 1. Remember, always remember. So here it is not, does not have index based, so the index is not here. So characters, what will be the characters of set? Set characteristics. Just 1 second, right? I'm getting a call actually. I will stop this video for 1 second, just 1 second. So I'm sorry for the disturbance, guys. So actually, I got a call from actually a mobile company from my mobile company. Actually, my mobile was got damaged. That's why Samsung Care called me today. Yeah. So what will be the characteristics? So the data is an unordered collection of data. So it is an unordered collection. That means indexing is not there. So characteristics will be no order. Unique data. That means no duplicates. Indexing not based on indexing. So that is also so. Another thing is what? So I mean there is I mean see also based indexing that has value starting from 0. Okay, so for sets, but sets there is no does not have index based mechanism. For tuple and for list there is index based mechanism, but for tuple it is not. So actually why so indexing also not there indexing so do you remember guys what is indexing actually? So this data is in unordered list. Unordered list in the sense there is no order, there is no indexing. So if I want to search it through search some data through it, so I will not be able to search it because there is no indexing. So that is why there is also indexing is not allowed. So adding a new element. So if I want to add a new element to set this, yes, I can add it. So adding a new element is possible. Set, sorry, I'm sorry. Set one dot add YouTube. We can add YouTube itself. Print set one. So yeah, YouTube is added last at last to the. So as you can see, the data is already automatically sorted 2, 3, ABC, 6, 22, YouTube. So it is already sorted. So deleting an element, to delete an element, the pop method is used. Set one dot pop. So it will delete last element. Last element is what here? Mm. So actually, sorry guys, it will delete first element itself. So what it had deleted, it is deleted. It had deleted two. So first element means last. So it can be so first element in the sense the smallest element. It will delete the smallest element. So yeah, randomly deleted means and smallest elements means the it will delete randomly. So see now. Okay, so the data is deleted. There is no difference. So so it is unordered. So data cannot be sorted. Searching element it's not possible here. Okay, guys. So these are all about the sets. Counting elements is also not possible here. But in dictionary, we will go to the dictionary now. Methods, no methods are here. So just for methods, we can add some methods like methods of add. So These are the methods. That's it, guys. There are only two methods here. So last option is dictionary. So what is dictionary? So first of all, we will see the syntax of dictionary. So we will see the characters of it. So what are the characters of the dictionaries? So first of all, we will see what is dictionary actually. So I will write here a dictionary itself. So dict1, it will be the variable name. So key1 value, key2 value 2 is value 1. So that is the dictionary. See, the dictionary is set as key and data. Okay, those do you know that, guys, JSON, what is JSON? So if anybody knows the JSON, so they must have known the dictionary itself. So we will print dict1. So yeah, you can see that is the key and that is the value of this. So that is the key to and that is the value of this. So you will understand better through examples. So what is key? See, keys are unique. Okay, so this is the unique. So this key one is here. Here key one cannot be here. It will throw an error. So it is not throwing an error. So it is just showing that it is a duplicate value. So it will print only one among them. Okay, so there should be only one key, last key. So it will show this, but value can be same. Key must be different, but value can be same. Okay, so as you see, it is granted at the previous. So indexing also here. Indexing is done here. So indexing, how we can index? I mean, how we can search data? Okay, so we can search data like see, if I want to print key two, print dict1 from dict1, that is key two. So it will print key 2. So key 2's value is value 1. So it is value 2. Then it will print value 2. So yeah. So there is also update method that specifies a key value pair in dictionary. Okay. So there is a dictionary. There is a method also pop. So there are two methods as well. So guys, we will look. I mean, we will see about update method itself. Okay. Yeah. Let's see how it works. Key 3 value 3. So how it works actually? It should have worked, and what is why it is showing error like this? So it is dict1 dot update. So what is the error here? You can see what is it saying? Tuple iterable keywords was not closed. Oh, okay. So curly braces should be there also. Yes. So it will now print third value also. The see key 3 is value 3. So key 3 is value 3. Okay. So update method is there. So characters are like Key based indexing. Keys are unique. Like ordered collection, and I mean there is ordered collection. Yes, that's it. So methods will be update, and also pop is there. Pop. Okay, so we will look what is pop. Also sorted is there. So that's it, guys. That these are the methods. I mean, and count is not here. So we will see what is pop here. Okay. So if I want to pop key key two, so do it. Will it pop? So key two is popped here. See, you can see for the first print there is a key two is available, and for the second key two is not available. Okay. So second method is sorted. So just it is simple as simple. So dict one dot sorted, dict one dot sorted it. Why it is not? I mean, dict one dot. So if you click dot here, then you will see these are the also you can use it. But in daily life, I mean whatever I mentioned, so it is used in daily life itself. So to use a sorted, yeah, we have to use another trick. Sorted dict one. So it will not work. It will not work. See, the data is sorted now. Actually, if I write here key two, key one, so how it will sort key two, value one, value two, value one. Sorry. Yeah. So after sorted, we have to print that sorted data here. Print. Now it will show the correct data. See, the key one is for initial and the key two is after then. So these are the methods, guys. Oh, it was just 1 second. Let me have some water. Actually, this was a very long video. So I will create also video for comparing. I mean, difference between uh, list, tuple, sets, dictionary. So there also I will create another video for this. So just guys do subscribe and like. Also please share it with your friends as well. Thank you so much, guys.